Can you guess the Italian brain rot just by emoji? Which brain rot is hidden inside these emojis?
Frigo camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città.
Who's represented by this cryptic combo?
Liri li lari la.
Drop a like and subscribe, or Tung Tung Sahur will delete your emoji keyboard. Can you decode who's behind these emojis?
Pee potato! Hook!
Which brain rot is it?
Cacasito satellito.
Guess this tricky one.
Graipussi medussi. Graipussini medusini.
Easy, huh? Guess this final brain rot. If you know who it is, comment below.